The Shape Builder tool in Adobe Illustrator allows you to create complex shapes from simple ones. You can use it to combine, subtract, or intersect shapes in various ways. Select all the overlapping shapes you want to work with using the Selection tool. Activate the Shape Builder tool, click and drag. You will notice a plus sign appears on the lower right hand side of the pointer, and each sub-region you hover over gets highlighted with shading. This gives you visual clues to identify the final combined shape. Live Paint Bucket tool uses the current fill and stroke attributes. Simply hover over the selected objects in your artwork. You will notice that the Live Paint tool creates boundaries around the areas you can colorize. Click on an area and it's instantly filled with the active fill color. The Mesh tool in Adobe Illustrator breaks up any given shape into a grid of rows and columns. Inside this grid, any of the mesh points or the rows and columns can then be assigned to any color you would like. Select an object and click the Mesh tool. Click within the object to add mesh points. To apply color to the area between the mesh points, like a patch, select a color to fill. Drag the mesh point using the Mesh tool to move it to any other position. To delete a mesh point, press and hold Alt key and then click on the mesh point.